If you've been trying to find CPanel inside GoDaddy and keep getting stuck, this video is going to make it simple. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to access CPanel in GoDaddy step by step, so you can manage your hosting, files, emails, databases, and more without wasting time searching through menus. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick, practical tech guides. Now, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy. Once the site loads, sign in with the account that owns your hosting plan. Make sure you're using the correct GoDaddy login, because CPanel access only appears for the hosting product linked to that account. If you're signed into the wrong account, you may not see the hosting tools you need. After you're logged in, look for the My Products section. This is where GoDaddy organizes all of the services connected to your account, including domains, hosting, and other add-ons. Click My Products to continue. Now scroll down until you find the Web Hosting section. If you have an active hosting plan, you should see it listed here. Next to your hosting plan, click Manage. This is the main control area for your hosting account, and it's where GoDaddy places the button that takes you into CPanel. Once the hosting management page opens, look for CPanel Admin. This is the option you need. Click CPanel Admin, and GoDaddy will launch your CPanel dashboard. Depending on your browser and account setup, it may open in a new tab or take a moment to load, so give it a second if you don't see it instantly. When CPanel opens, you'll have access to the full hosting control panel. From here, you can manage website files, email accounts, domains, backups, databases, and other hosting settings. If your goal was just to get into CPanel, you're now in the right place. If you don't see CPanel Admin, there are a couple of things to check. First, confirm that your plan is actually a web hosting plan that includes CPanel access. Some GoDaddy products use different dashboards or custom tools instead of CPanel. Second, make sure you're looking under the correct web hosting product in My Products. If you manage more than one site, it's easy to click the wrong hosting plan by accident. So to quickly recap, go to GoDaddy, sign in, click My Products, find Web Hosting, click Manage, and then click CPanel Admin. That's the fastest way to access CPanel in GoDaddy. If this video helps you get where you needed to go, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.